Well, I say it's I can't believe well, when I say I can't believe, then it turns out I believe because I already did believe. It's indecisive because it's just like even if you believe, you still be like, I can't believe it, like it really just happened like that because it's so not in your cycle. It's not in your thing that's happening with you. Like you don't expect it to happen to you. It's always happening to the same kind of standard of what industry want people to be like or look like and all this other stuff. But when it's happening to you, you're like, well, I never thought it would because I don't look like them. And I always was like, I was never going to be looking like anybody else because I didn't want to. I felt like that was not my attention to be ill for myself or to myself like that. Um, in my spirit, I didn't think that way. I felt like it's it's just ill. It's just I hate this lighting. It's the ill attention to for the sake of my health and my mental trying to be like everybody else. When always I wanted to be myself since I was ever figuring out what myself is. And of course you'd be like saying, well, I'm in my thoughts and all like that. Yeah, of course you're going to be in your thoughts being detrimental to yourself and all like that. But like you start to be where I don't want to be like that to myself anymore. You get tired of it actually. But I'm saying to all this is like a blessing because I couldn't believe I'm getting orders after orders. It may not appear online or anything at all, but it happened in one way because someone see me because they see me out of the audacity, they're giving me a chance, and then I follow through, and then I'm going into rooms that I didn't expect I was supposed to be in because it was always where some it's always some loser always trying to be like, well, I could do better than her. And I was like, I wasn't even bothering you. But I know the light on my spirit is it affects a lot of people. I don't know why, because I'm just like, I'm being my own authentic self. And I never had a sense of getting people into trouble or doing trouble. Not living on that pair to be that way. That was not in my intention to do that in the first place. I never had ill intention. And to be honest, I wanted always to be myself and do things for you know for myself. You always do it for the Lord too, and I do. Because I wanted to see how the shit even looks like. I wanted to see how the shit look like because I was like always it was marrying to other people and it was like so beautiful, but I was like, damn, I wonder how that shit will look like on me when that light is on you, when the Lord's doing it. And I always was like sitting there like, I wonder how that shit even look like on me. And now I'm doing it and I'm like, holy shit. I didn't think it would be this beautiful. Like, I could describe it as like this unexplainable juice or this artifact or something he made, and it's like all different from everybody else. And you see how everybody wants to take it because it looks like a different transparent color or that it looks fucking different. and how it's shaped and all like that, because it don't look like what he had given, but he made it customly for how you want it. Because to be honest, when I look for everybody else, I'll be like, they should look ugly, because I wanted my own shit, and I wanted to get it from him, because I was like, that's the only reason why I'm up here on this earth. I wanted to see it live and well when he gave when he given that, because I know it's beautiful, because it glimpsed on them. But I want to see how it look like for me and stuff, and it's beautiful, because I can picture it every time. I picture it like a sculpture, because God makes art than what you know. You are the art. He made something inspiring, made something like something not never has an ill intention for doing anything. When they all ongoing cursing that man that he didn't do anything to do things to anybody. And I just wanted to say that, because I was like, it's always with someone talking about I have ill intentions and stuff like that, but wouldn't put that projection on themselves, when I'm like, Heavenly Father, I haven't done anything but say what was on my mind, and saying the exact same thing what they was thinking about me, but wouldn't say it to my face of being fucking positive and stuff. And I never hurt them or never hurted them, and never talked about their craft or anything that shit. Cause I was like, I always wanted to do my shit since ever in life. And I'm probably talking to them and stuff like that, and they probably are snooping on my shit. But I let you know, you bitches had a nerve. You bitches did have the ill intentions, and it was disgusting. But I gave you breath of life to even like witness, to see it and so that. Even if I blocked you, I still gave you like the utmost respect, because I never disrespect you. I gave you at least hope of like you're even fucking living, to see your shit just extra, like just be in the presence of somebody that's thinking you're wonderful, and you should be thankful for God, like giving you even a chance to even have a breath in to your chest and stuff, while you're being disrespectful to me, and I never did shit to you. But I say that to this shit every time, because I love Jesus. I love Allah, that he made Jesus, because I tell you this, that man really made that man where I was like, I wouldn't even gave y'all the shit that y'all even like get on this earth, because I hate y'all and how disrespectful y'all to anybody who don't want to do shit to you. But I didn't give you breath. God gave you breath. So breathe. I always never interrupted how you came in, but you just been so mean, so awful. And I know the people that have. I've seen you in my dreams, and I go like, damn, I never do shit to nobody, but they so fucking hateful. And I'm like, you even disrespect the world that you're in, and the way he lets you breathe in and out air, and you don't have a attention, like the so-called non-ill attention to not do the things you're doing. I never hurt anybody. I don't. I'm thankful for what I'm getting and stuff from him and stuff, because I'm happy that I see it, and it's fucking awesome.